Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. I'm Athaya Salsabila Rahma from English for Specific Purpose C class. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my answers of the questions of semester exam of English for Specific Purpose. Number 1. What is ESP? ESP, or English for Specific Purpose, is an approach in teaching language, especially teaching English based on the learner's needs. Material and methods are used in ESP is based on the purpose of the learner. So it focuses on the learner's needs. Number 2. 3 main reasons to the emergence of ESP. According to Hutchinson and Waters, 1987, there are 3 main reasons to the emergence of ESP. The first reason is the demands of a brave new world. There is a changing of demand that caused by 2 factors. The first factor is the Second World War. It is effect in science, technology, and economy. So it is raised English as international language. English is used as the rule for science, technology, and economy. The second factor is the oil crisis. English is used as communication between countries. It is used practically. The second reason is the revolution in linguistics. It focused on the ways of how to use language in the real life situations. The third main reason is focus on the learner. It is central focus of learning and teaching process. They have different learning strategies, different needs and skills. So it focuses on learner-centered. Number 3. 4 characteristics of ESP. The first characteristic is ESP is defined to meet specific needs of the learner's needs. So ESP is for the learners who need some specific purpose in learning language. The second characteristic is ESP makes use of the underlying methodology and activities of the discipline itself. The third characteristic is ESP is centered on the language appropriate to these activities in terms of grammar, lexis, register, study skills, discourse, and genres. The last characteristic is ESP is generally designed for intermediate and advanced students. Number 4. The procedure of need analysis in ESP. The first is existing information. It is collecting information from some sources, like journals, articles from internet, and etc. The second is questionnaires. Give the questions by the papers to gather the information in a large scale. The third is interview. to the question answer between the learner who get wants to learn about who wants to learn in ESP. The fourth is meeting. Meet with someone who needs to learn about to learn in English for specific purpose. And the last is observation. To the observation by attending the location that the learners need. Number 5. 4 differences characteristics between EGP and ESP. EGP is English for general purpose. So the learners learned generally about English, the overall. But ESP is English for specific purpose. So the learners learn about the specific purpose that the learner needs, so it will reach the goal of the purpose. From the learner age, EGP is for all of each of the learners, while ESP is just for adults or in some cases high schools. From the aims of EGP and ESP. The aims of EGP is to improve the overall English competence involving a range of skills. It is content like writing, reading, speaking, and etc. But if ESP, the aims of ESP is to find the needs of particular learners. The last differences characteristics is concerns. EGP, the concerns of EGP is on vocabulary work, spelling, grammar, pronunciation, language, and language functions. While the concerns of ESP is to design appropriate courses for various groups of learners according to their needs. Number 6. 3 approaches to need analysis. The first is Target Situation Analysis or TSA. Identify what the learners require to know. It includes an objective, perceived, and product-oriented needs. The second is Deficiency Analysis. Analysis the gap between the present knowledge with the learners want to achieve. The third is Discourse Analysis. It focuses on how sentences are used in communications. Number 7. Why need analysis is important in ESP? Because in learning English for a specific purpose, there are need analyses for the collecting information about developing the curriculum, the effective curriculum based on the learners of the students. So, need analysis will help the learning in ESP for more easier. There are 2 points in need analysis: target needs and learning needs. 2 points are related in English for specific purpose. Thank you for your attention. attention. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes in my answers or my words. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.